Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to turn on profile view history on TikTok on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open TikTok, and you have to tap on your profile. And if the eye icon is not showing here and this option is not showing in your privacy, and I'll show you how can you get this option, and after that you will be able to turn on profile views. So firstly you have to take a screenshot of your profile from here. So now I'm going to take a screenshot, and after that what you need to do is just simply tap on three lines, and then you have to tap on setting and privacy. And from here what you need to do is just simply tap on report a problem option, and then you have to tap on this edit icon. And now from here you have to tap on this, and from here what you need to do is just simply write about your problem. Now I'm going to paste it because I have already copied and given in the description as well. So you have to write the same one that I have given in the description, and then you have to tap on this. And from here what you need to do is just simply select the screenshot, then you have to tap on confirm. And after that what you need to do is just simply tap on report, and after that your report will be sent to TikTok team, and they will fix your problem as soon as possible. And after that you will be able to turn on profile views on TikTok. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.